Hey guys, Mederos here, and today I'm gonna do a quick tutorial video on how to do one line drawing like this. Okay, so here I did a golden eagle without lifting the pen, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to practice and practice and practice and practice and warm up the hand before going to do your actually one line drawing. That means that you grab any pen that you have on hand. It doesn't have to be micron pens. This is what I usually do. But actually the number 8 because of its round and bigger tip that allows me to cover a little more of the subject that I'm drawing. So just for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna use the number 1. You can use anything you have on hand, okay? So for start, let's warm up. Light strokes on a white piece of paper. Let's do some circles as well, squares, triangles, like just a bunch of doodles here. You need to feel the heat in your muscles, okay? Great. Now let's practice with little stuff. Let's try a heart. It doesn't have to be perfect, but there is a heart. I want to do a mouth. Without lifting the pen. There you go, you have a mouth. Tree. Do a tree. A house. Well, see, it's not perfect, but it's there. It's there. So let's say what is important. What is important about these types of drawing is to be relaxed. Okay, you don't have to rush it. It usually takes time. It takes me around two or up to 5 minutes to do an actual drawing without lifting the pen. So just remember, if it's your first time trying this, practice and practice and practice. So let's go and jump up. Of course, I'm gonna draw a bird. There's no surprise. If you are new in my Instagram account, I am a bird lover. I'm pretty sure that I'm a bird. So let's see. I usually start for the beak. I'm gonna do the profile of a golden eagle. To make shadows or the dark areas of your subject, you have to go over the lines as many times you need, okay? I'm actually going with the eye. What is super cool about these drawings is that they're so relaxing. Okay, nose. I'm going to the tip of the beak. You see, it's not perfect. We're gonna fix that. There are no mistakes here. We have a short beak. So, like this. This is a super cool thing about the online drawing. If you made a mistake, you still have chance to fix it. So just relax. If you get tired, okay, and you're feeling like tension. Oh my God, tension in your arm. Just stop for a second. Take a deep breath and go. And voila, there you have it. Just a simple drawing. Okay, read, relax, and practice. See you on my next video. Bye.